Hi guys, this is the Python series part 23. In the last session, we have discussed about the non-keyword arguments. It's also known as variable length positional arguments. In this session, we will discuss about the keyword arguments. Okay, here I have created the function myFun. Okay, and here inside the round brackets, I have used two asterisk symbols. For non-keyword, we have used a single asterisk symbol with argument, but this is the keyword arguments. So we have to use two asterisk symbol with the name of the argument. Okay, here inside this function, I have used the for loop. Keyword arguments dot items. This is the inbuilt method. It returns the key and value of this keyword arguments. Okay, so the key value will be stored inside the K and the value from keyword arguments will be stored inside the V variable. Okay, so that values will be printed with the help of the print method. Here we have used the format specifier %s. This is for the string format specifier. Okay, so this format specifier will be replaced by the value of K and this format specifier will be replaced by the value of V. So for the next iteration, the next element key values will be printed. Likewise, all the elements inside this keyword arguments will be printed on our console. Okay, here this is the call statement. Execution starts from this call statement only. Here we have the key and value, key, value, key, value. So what are the keys? First, mid and last. These are the keys. What are the values? 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so this key value is 1, mid key value is 2, last key value is 3. After encounter this line, the control jumps from the 6th line to the 1st line. Okay, here these values will be stored inside this keyword arguments. Okay, here we have to use the double asterisk symbols. So inside this keyword arguments, we have key and value pairs. Okay, now let me execute this one. So for the first iteration, the key and value is printed. Second iteration, we got the key and value. For the third iteration, we got the key last and the value 3. Let's take this example. Here I have created the car class and inside the car class, I have created the init method. We know already the init method is used to initialize the variables which are belongs to the car class. Okay, we have the self keyword and the variable length keyword arguments. And inside the init method, we have initialized the speed and color variables. Okay, and here I have used the keyword arguments. Okay, this key value will be stored inside the speed and C is the key. That C value will be stored inside the color. So this is the class, car class. And here I have created the objects, Skoda, BMW, Creta for the same car class. Okay, and here I have used the class. Okay, here I have passed the keyword argument value. During the creation of the Skoda, what will happen? The init method will be invoked automatically. So the control jumps from the 11th statement to the 4th statement and the key value pairs will be stored inside the keyword arguments. That is S200 C red will be stored inside this argument. And here the speed will be initialized with the value of 200 because this is the key, isn't it? So this key value is 200. That value will be stored inside the speed. Likewise, this is the key So what is the value of this key? Red will be stored inside the color. Okay, and again the control jumps back to the 12th line. Here BMW. This is the name of the object and this is the class name. Here we have passed the keyword argument values. Okay, so 2 pairs I have passed. So S is the key, C is the key, 250 is the value for S and black is the value for C. So the control carries these values and jump from the 12th line to the 4th line. Here the S250C black key value pairs will be stored inside this argument. The key value will be stored inside the speed and the C value will be stored inside the color. Again the control jumps back to the Krita. This is the name of the object. This is the name of the class. And here these key value pairs will be carried by the control and jumps from the 13th line to the 4th line. So these values will be stored inside the speed and color. And again the control jumps back to the 16th line. Skoda.color returns the red and BMW.speed returns 250. Let me execute this. So I got the output. Okay. I hope you all understood what is the usage of keyword arguments. Why we need variable length arguments. In large projects, sometimes we may not know the number of arguments to be passed in advance. In such cases only we can use this type of positional argument or keyword argument according to our requirement. Okay. We have completed this session. If you have any doubts, drop the message on the comment section. If this video is useful to you, like and share. For more videos, subscribe my channel. Hit the bell icon, then only you will get the notification for my new updates. Have a nice day. Thank you.